Hello and welcome to the SketchList 3D video guide. SketchList helps you brainstorm, plan, and execute your creative projects. This video will show how to use the clone functions within SketchList 3D. There are three different types of clone functions. One is a basic clone, which is a simple copy. Select an object and either right-click on it and choose Clone, or click on the action item on the right-hand side of the screen. The cloned object will have an amber background, indicating that it is an exact copy of the original object. You can modify the cloned object by changing its size or location. The second type is cloning space. Select a board and click on the Clone Space option. You can also right-click on the board and choose Clone Space. In the first example of cloning space, we will use a fixed distance. Add 2 shelves, and set the space between them to 10 pages. The shelves will be spaced accordingly. Another way to use cloning space is by equally distributing the clones. Starting from the bottom, select a board and choose to do 3 equally distributed clones. Specify the endpoint for the final board. The cloned boards will have equal spacing between the spans. To clone and mirror an object, select it, and click on the Clone and Mirror option. A copy will be made, and it will be flipped 180 degrees. That concludes the demonstration of the clone functions in SketchList 3D. Win more bids, spot the mistakes early, and pull advanced reports with SketchList, a complete 3D design software for all your wood project needs.